This is the stylus method for doing a barn board, and what I did was I put the heavy paper underneath, as you always do, and then you take your stylus and you just put really heavy grooves down in where you want the barn board to be. And then again, if you look at my other stylus drawings, you then take the side here, if you want it dark, press a bit harder, going in the same direction as the barn board. If you start going this way, it doesn't read quite as well. Going up and down, you're getting more pressure on each side of the groove. Now with pencil, you're going to want to have the light shining from one side or the other, and I'm going to have the dark side of the building on this side, and in doing that you have to really go back and press quite hard so that you can see the difference between the dark side and the light side of the barn. Now there is another way to make the light side look even lighter. It's again using the stump, and you can use a big one or you can use a smaller one. But just smooth the barn boards. Try to go between where the grooves are. And then you can take your malleable eraser and just lift a wee bit of the graphite off. And when you're ready to use it, you can kind of roll it out into a shape. You can point it if you want to get into this little narrow section here. Just press straight down. Move the graphite in to the eraser again. Same on the top here. And then I'll do the side. I want it a little bit longer and narrower here on the side. Now see the difference that makes? You can really see the shadow side and you can really see the sunny side. I'll just firm up these windows a bit since I'm right here. And I have actually worked out the perspective. You notice over here there's an X. That's what those lines are for the angles of the roofs here. So you can see by watching right through to the end, you're getting some hints when you thought the video was over. So please keep going through to the end. I usually stick something interesting on afterwards. Thanks for watching. See you next time.